Back in the good old days, it was all on-prem. We had a single IT guy that ran the shop. There was a rack in the corner somewhere full of appliances. Remote working has changed the security borders, and I'm sure there was resistance from the IT guys and the security guys, but it's basically a war between the bad actors and the good actors, and that war is going to continue. In order to survive that war, you need to have structures and frameworks in place to be able to adapt quickly. Even though FirstWave's been working in this space for 10 years, this is effectively a new segment that we're now addressing. Our reach globally is very good in terms of how fast we can be on the ground, and we already have platforms in a number of regions in Australia, North America and Asia. We also obviously don't just support public cloud. From a philosophical perspective, we try to be agnostic as far as infrastructure, network and security vendors. So what that means for the end user customer is that there's choice. Typically, those high-end appliances are targeted at a specific set of customers that can afford it. What we're now saying to our GSVs is that we have a platform that allows orchestration of those services in a low-touch way. In terms of seat count, the platform's really been designed to cover a broad spectrum of organisational sizes, from the low 10-seat organisations through to governments where you've got millions of seats. It's the same platform, same technology, same experience. One of the other key advantages is we've done this before. We have all the components necessary to make this work for them again. We've even done the productization and we understand the market. So from a telco's perspective, what we provide is an engine where they can crank the handle and churn out services very quickly and break through that barrier of 18 months of productization that we typically see inside a large telco. And that means that large telcos or resellers with a little bit of advanced systems with their own marketplaces can quickly interface with our platform and use that to then deliver services to their customers. The key here though is automation and zero touch, so that the end user experience is one of, I want a service, I push a button, I get the service.